This cage is excellent. It's very durable. It's made of metal. And what I love most about this cage is there's so many mounting points on it. You have a 1/4 inch on top, a 1/4 inch on the side, and also a 1/4 inch on the bottom, which allows you to attach this to any tripod or any accessory that takes a 1/4 inch. But you also still have access to the magnetic mount, so you still can take your DJI accessories and you could still attach them here. And I can start vlogging and capturing footage with my DJI accessories, but I can also attach it to so much more. And it's really durable. Like I said, it's made of all metal. It feels heavy. And what I like about the weight is it does allow me to capture some more stabilized footage because it adds a little bit more weight to the camera. So when I'm doing motions like this and even wraps and walking with it, having that extra weight is really going to help me capture some more stabilized footage out in the field. It also looks great. I love this platinum color that SmallRig went with, and I think it really contrasts to the black on the DJI Action 5 Pro. I can highly recommend picking one of these up, and it's going to allow you to attach so much more to your DJI Action 5 Pro.